So now we are going to start actually designing the character. The first thing that we're going to have in mind is that the sticker should work in a very small size. So having a long, realistic looking character may not be the best choice. My personal recommendation is to have a short character that's only 2 or 3 heads high. So I'm personally going to go with a simple 2 heads high character. I like funny, cartoony characters, and I also like simple characters, but I'm not going to go with something that's extremely simple. But feel free to do it yourself if you want to. If you're not feeling too confident with your drawing skills, a stick figure can be as expressive as one that's more complex. Also, at this point, I have to define what's my character going to be. Is it going to be a human, an animal, an alien, a robot? It can be whatever you want really, as long as you keep it expressive. So, for the sake of this course, I'm going to keep it very simple and create a simple human character. A boy, something that's relatable and funny. But you don't have to, feel free to try different things. You can draw inspiration from yourself or a friend, family member, your couple, or even your pet. As you can see on the screen, I'm showing you my process of drawing this character. I'm drawing him from a clear front view with a neutral expression. That helps me focus on what's important at the moment, which is the character design. We'll add the expressions later on. Okay, so this is the basic model of our character. Next, I'm going to choose some expressions and I'm going to apply those expressions to this model. So see you on the next video.